Welcome back to ACE CERT. Today we will be tackling practice exam questions for TOGAF Enterprise Architecture Combined, Part 1 and Part 2 exam. Let's begin. Question 1. What is presented as striking a balance between positive and negative outcomes resulting from the realization of either opportunities or threats? A. Agile development. B. Architecture security. C. Transition management. D. Risk management. Correct answer is D. In TOGAF, risk management is all about balancing the upside and downside of events. Opportunities can create benefits, threats can cause harm, and risk management helps you weigh these, take the right precautions, and still move forward with your architecture goals. Think of it as your architectural safety net. Without it, you're walking the high wire blindfolded. Question 2. Which of the following are the 4 purposes that typically frame the planning horizon, depth and breadth of an architecture project, and the contents of the EA repository? A. General foundational subordinate and superior architecture. B. Segment, capability, enterprise and end-to-end target architecture. C. Avant-garde, Big Bang, discrete and cohesive. D. Strategy, portfolio, project, solution delivery. Correct answer is D. TOGAF structures your architecture work around 4 purposes. Strategy, setting direction at the enterprise level. Portfolio, prioritizing and grouping initiatives. Project, defining work at a detailed, executable level. Solution delivery, making it real and operational. This framework ensures your repository captures the right content for every stage, from big picture vision down to deployed solutions. Question 3. Complete the sentence. Business transformation. Readiness assessment is A. A joint effort between corporate staff lines of business and IT planners. B. To ensure the active support of powerful stakeholders. C. A way to put building blocks into context, thereby supporting reusable solutions. D. Widely used to validate an architecture that is being developed. Correct answer is A. In TOGAF, this assessment checks how ready your organization is for a big change. It's not just IT's job. It's a team sport involving corporate leadership, business units, and IT planners. This collaboration ensures you've got the resources, skills, and stakeholder support to actually make the transformation stick. For a full list of practice questions, drop an email at acecert6@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.